Hey guys, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast Wrecks and Restorations. Today we're going to start on this Funline muscle machine Dodge Charger and see what I can do with it. Kind of a weird construction on their part. They made a two-piece hood section that needed to be taken out. One of the things I decided to do was no windows in it. So I took my drill, drilled a bunch of 16-inch or 1/16-inch holes in the existing metal windows and hollowed it out as much as I could that way. Then I planned on knocking those pieces out and filing it to perfection. You can see here I got it hollowed out pretty well. And I took my Dremel and one of my jewelry cutters, barrel cutters, and cut out the balance of it. Pretty rough looking, but I knew that with the files we could clear it out, get it looking real purty. And here we go with the filing. Turned out really good. I kept to the lines in the mold. Then after I filed it, I took this Kratex wheel, which is one of those rubber wheels with different variants of abrasive on it. This is a blue, so it's like a medium grit. Good for stuff like this and the body lines that you want to take out from the casting mold lines. These work good. The only problem is that I've ever had with them is they wear down really fast, but they don't cost that much. It is the fact that I'm on limited finances anyway. I've got enough of a stockpile. I think it turned out very well. I had to put some putty in because I got some scratches from the filing. I decided for this one, nothing would look better on there than the old Soxon Martin air grabber hood scoop. and I think you'll agree it turned out great. I made it out of some styrene. Now it's time for a little steel wool action before the primer. Now, Mr. Primor. Still trying to learn my camera angles. Put the wheels back in and the little piece of the suspension, pop those back on to hold the wheels in, and then I glued it down where the plastic rivet was, and she rolls pretty good. Out of all of them, this one was probably the worst rolling one in the collection that I found. Oh yeah, I put back on the exhaust because I thought those that came with it were the best. And I hand painted in with a little flat black the Sox and Martin scoop. I think it turned out great. Look at that hand shaking, like a dog shitting peach seed. Here's all the pieces all ready for assembly. This is what we started with. As I said originally, I got this walking down the street, saw a lady throw a bag of stuff in the trash, and this is one of them, and this is how it turned out. I had to go with the plum crazy purple. I thought nothing finer than that could be applied to a nice Mopar product.